Guys and people, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a review of a website builder Wix. I will be using this site just an example to show you all how you can easily create your personal website with the help of this website builder. Yep, to be honest, I'm not a professional at this sphere, but I want to prove you and show you that this website builder is really nice to work and very simple in work. It's user friendly. So I'm waiting for your feedback as always. I'm waiting for your likes, shares, subscribe to my channel, and we continue our work. And remember that all the useful information will be in the description about this video episode, and continue. So first of all, why should we use Wix? And I guess that the advantages is that they are visually impressive layouts, are designed for small business, restaurants, online stores, artists such as musicians, photographers, yep. And they are optimized for mobile devices and of course for the desktop versions. And actually you have a cool thing which is called Wix App Market, and there you have cool applications which can make your life easier on Wix and make your website builder create more impressive and interesting. So what kind of a website do you want to create? For a business, for an online store, if you're a designer or you would like to create your personal blog or even a portfolio and CV, so everything you can do directly right here from Wix. You have many categories, and let's start, for example, I would say from blog. Why not? And you will have two choices how you can create your website builder, with the help of the Wix ADI or with the help of the editor. What I can say, ADI is the artificial intelligence, and that thing which makes a favor for you, which make a website for you. The only thing you need to do is just to answer a simple question: what site will be, theme, and others. Yeah, but you need to understand that you won't control each section, each element. Yeah, so you are not involved, I would say, in the process of creation this website. And it's really good for people who don't have enough time for this and they just only need to create a website. So ADI will help you with this task. Or if you are very interested in this, you want to practice, you want to be involved in the process, you want to control each element, to add, to make it in that way how you see in your head, so you can do with the help of the editor. And we will do not the same, but we will work with the editor and I will show you, and I would like to prove you why actually Wix editor is very simple in use. So what I can say, that templates are a source of pride for Wix, and it has more than 500 layouts for different types of sites made by professionals, inserted videos at the background of the page. It has 3D effects and photo bank on image editor and video editor. You can use Shutterstock directly from here from Wix. You can use Wix images and photos. Yep, and all the templates are available for free. So their database is constantly updated. There are no problems with the adaptability for different devices, such as, for example, mobile devices or desktops. Yep, everything is well displayed on a wide screen or for smartphones, for mobile devices. So basically what we have right here, we have many categories such as business and services, stores, creatives, communities, blogs, and you see that each category has its subcategory. And if I've chosen a blog, so let's start, for example, from a podcast. Why not? And we have our art and culture blog and podcast. So let's watch a view. Basically that is actually a short, it may be a short video or just like this widget, yep, how it looks like. And you can analyze if it's good for you, suit you or not. If it's not suit you, you are searching for the other templates. For example, what we got, religious blog. Why not? Let's check the view. So basically here we have a short video episode because I would say that this template has many sections. That's why actually video shows you actually in full edition how it looks like. And for example, if you like this actually template, you just need to click watch a full demo, yeah, and there you will have actually the version for the desktop. So basically that is how it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty cool and interesting. So basically that's why I adore Wix template, because they have many themes, and actually all the content is beautiful, up to date and high quality, and that is important because the visual content nowadays is important. Actually have we right here for mobile devices, and that is how it looks like. Yep. So if you see that this template is good for you, you can click directly to the bottom of edit this side and you will work directly with this side. But I would like to show you the other actually templates. So let's check the other ones. So for example, we have food podcast and indie music blog and podcast. Let's start our healthy living blog. So let's start from this one. Yeah, healthy living. We have actually also short like video, yeah, which shows us actually how it looks like, yeah, and that is for the desktop. So if you are a dietitian and you would like to create a podcast and you need a website, so basically you may use this template, and don't be so worried about that. For example, you don't like the background, yeah, or you don't like some sections, because you can change a background, you can change the sections or add some pages. And to be honest, I would like to show you how to do that. So let's start to work with the editor and just to edit this actually template. So talking about the editor is very easy to understand and is very simple in using, and I would like to prove you that, because we have actually this template, and clicking directly to each element, basically we have actually the settings, and the menu we have actually on the left side directly right here tools, and these tools are responsible for the changes. They are basically main tools in this editor. And if you would like, you can add a page, for example, right here, or you can change the name of the pages, such as not, for example, about we have, okay, let it be main page. Let it be, to be honest. So basically we have directly right here main page, but I don't like, for example, the design. So actually we have bottom of design, and let's try with this one. So actually that is how it looks like, and actually we can do it right here, locate it, yeah, right here, or just to left it right here. Just okay, let it be in the center. Okay, and what we got right here, the next, actually we have a white back, it's not okay, it's a background, but for example I would love to change this noisy pink background. So actually the second tool, which is responsible for the background, clicking directly to this one, we can change it to the color, to the calm, yep, color directly right here. Or for example, we can change it to this background, but to be honest, okay, it's not so good. So let's search image for perfect image for a background for a dietitian. Yep. So let's actually search in Wix actually this I would say cool pictures. Yeah. And okay, let it be media from Shutterstock, but from Shutterstock, to be honest, I don't know if they are for free. Okay, oh, I forgot, I have, oh, I have cool pictures in my laptop, so if you have the opportunity, if you have actually your personal images, you may successfully upload them from your social accounts or from your laptop, and I will try to use one and I will show you that. So to be honest, I don't know how it will look like, but this attractive young woman, let's actually change the background, and let's actually I would love to see how it will apply to the other pages. Okay. No, let it be in this way just to check. Okay. Unfortunately we don't see here, but if I do the next, if for example I do in this case, I'm clicking directly to right here, to this background, I just done it to no color, and we have this beautiful I would say picture, beautiful girl. We have a perfect logo, and let's do right now everything in this way. Okay, journey. Okay, so basically that is how that is what I told you about, that working with the ADI, unfortunately you don't have the opportunity to be involved in the process of creation, I would say, of your website. But with the help of the editor, actually you have this opportunity. So basically you are involved in the process in each detail, and that is how you should work. Directly right here. So okay, so this is the menu section. Let's do it right here. The other one, my weight loss. Okay, so clicking directly up editing the text. I would love to change, right here, the size and let it be open sans. But okay, journey. And journey, I would love to make, for example, white color. In this way. Okay. Okay. So basically you see how you can work with your personal composition, and I guess that you understand that you can remake all of the components, and directly right here, so we actually have the other symbols, the other pages, and this is the block, I can say, and clicking directly to this block, we can manage some elements or change also background. So basically this is the settings of your blog. You can manage blocks, and in this dashboard you will check all the composition of your blogs. So actually you right here in this template we see that actually here we have 6 published blogs. If we like, for example, to add a new, we can create a new post or delete the other blogs. Clicking directly to this post, actually we see actually the composition of this post. We see actually the beautiful image, we see the composition, text. We can add to the other thing, add an image or change image, or add from a gallery, or even a video episode, and actually the bottom of publish. So that is how it looks like. For a design of the post, so let's actually just observe what's going on right here. So all post feed, category feed, you have, yep, the style of the color. So even you can change the design directly right here. Yep, even you have a support, the layout of the composition, you can do it right here. And it will look like, yep, for me it looks better, to be honest. Yep, or just to make it look like here, for example. Yeah, so basically that is how it looks like. It's also like a cool composition, why not? So basically that is how you can work actually with I would say the editor. Okay, so basically what I can say, this is how I changed the composition of this template, and that is how it looks like. But to be honest, you can do this in that way that you see it in your head, how you like it and how it suits you, of course. So this is the end of this video episode. I'm waiting for your feedback. I'm waiting for your personal opinion. What do you think about Wix, and what do you think about my videos for you? I guess that we'll see each other as usual in another video episode. I wish you good luck, good vibes with Wix, and bye.